Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Hearupusa. Today, we are unboxing the brand new Starkey Omega AI CIC hearing aids.
Let's open the first box and take out the premium Starkey carrying case. Inside the case, we have the blue-colored hearing aid, custom-made for the left ear, along with a mini tool and a silica gel pack to prevent moisture. Moving down into the box, here is a pack of Starkey size 312 batteries, followed by the blue wax guard changing tool and a small green container holding extra sleeves. Underneath, you get the official operations manual, warranty documents, and a black cleaning brush to remove daily buildup. Now, let's switch to the second box. We pull out the matching Starkey carrying case, and inside we find the red-colored hearing aid designed for the right ear, complete with its own tool and silica pack. Just like the first box, it includes the user manual, a blue wax guard tool, a fresh pack of size 312 batteries, a cleaning brush, and another green container labeled small,